Hello stock traders, I hope all of you had a great trading day. Today was a very good day on the market. Overall, the S&P 500 did perform very well. The insiders were very active and bought lots of different stocks, and so there it was some insider activity reported. Definitely it was a good day. There are definitely opportunities out there, and looking forward to tomorrow and the rest of this week. But I finished with a small loss, finished with a 0.36% loss. I was hurt by a couple of my positions, and I'm going to cover that here in just a little bit and what happened with those. And month to date, I am at a 1.10% gain. So a small gain so far this month, but there is time to make this up. The rest of this week should be really good. Year to date, I'm pretty happy with my 66.05% gain. But I am looking for more, so looking for more and expecting more out of this market and expecting the market to do well over the next couple of weeks for sure. Before we get started, if you could do me a huge favor and please hit that most amazing and wonderful like button. Also, if you haven't done so before and you like the content of this channel, please consider subscribing and turning on those bell notifications so you get notified when one of these videos comes out. Also, consider sharing it with your friends. That would be an honor to me, of course. If you were to share this with your friends, we are looking for the message to get out there. That's what we're looking to do. So we are so close to the market confirming a run. Boy, I tell you what, I'm going to talk about that here in just a little bit, but we are getting really close to some really key levels in the market, some things I've been looking for to happen for us to enter wave 5 of the Elliott wave. Looking forward to that. Okay, so I have one sale to report, and that is number 7. Sold ETON out of the top 7. I exited for a 5.09% gain. I wanted to take those guaranteed gains, so I took my profits out of that. I will have a new pick at the end of this video, so please stay tuned until the end. You will get a new pick that should help you throughout the rest of the week. Number 6, SCYX today finished up 5.23%. Number 5, VNRX finished up 1.44%. Number 4, RPRX finished down 0.05%. Number 3, LFMD finished down 11.57%. So this had a really tough day today. But in after hours again today, another huge insider buy by the chief business officer, loading up at a higher price than it is right now. I am expecting this one to really turn around explosively tomorrow because of that insider activity. There should be some buyers and investors moving back into this. This has so much further to go. It is way undervalued, and so it was unfortunate to see that, but still up on it overall. Hopefully you are doing well with it so far. And I think if you're still in it and you're down a little bit, don't worry. Tomorrow should be a really good day for that particular stock. Number 2, LIFE finished down 6.63% today. So wiped out all of our gains, which was really unfortunate. But in after hours, it is creeping back up again. So I don't think there was really a reason behind the selling there. So I feel good about where that stock is going. And number 1 pick was AUTL, and today finished down 5.79%. I do expect this to get a lot of movement as we get to their presentations. They have phased data presentation happening on the 11th of June. And so it should be really, really huge, as I covered in the earlier top 7 video. All right, that's enough about that. Let's take a look at the overall market and see how things are going. Okay, so we have the 5-wave Elliott wave. We have wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. Somewhere a very choppy whipsaw wave 4. Boy, it has been kind of a crazy wave 4. This has been down, up, down, up. It's been all over the place, but today we had another great day. So the thing to look for is a new high. I'd love to see a new high at 422.82, and so it looks like if we have a good day tomorrow, we could easily surpass that. And it looks like the bulls are buying up this dip, and we are heading towards a very impulsive wave 5. So we should see a quick explosive move is what I'm hoping for, almost a blow off top. So that's kind of what we could see, just like what we saw in February. That's what I think we could see. But you know, stay tuned here and see updates on this. We have still not confirmed that we are going higher, but feeling good about where we're at. So the thing to watch for is 399 level. Passing below that is extremely bearish, but we are nowhere close to that here at 419.17. So feeling pretty good about the overall market and expecting a move upwards. But watch the market rotation and how the market typically moves. We could be in get into trouble in the middle of June. And so stay tuned and kind of see what happens there. But so far, at least for right now, I think we are good right at this moment. It appears the stock market is going positively and that there is good news out there. Okay, so we got to replace number 7. We need a new number 7 to replace ETON. So here we go. Are you ready? I am so excited. Now this stock could easily be number 1. This is ticker symbol SAFE, Safehold Incorporated. Okay, let me tell you the story. You need the backstory on this stock to kind of understand why I love Safehold. I have had this multiple times. And I think it's pretty funny that on Stocktwits right now, Safe is getting a ton of traffic that it doesn't deserve because of SafeMoon. And there's no SafeMoon ticker, so people are actually looking up Safe and attaching Safe and attaching Moon, which are 2 different stocks. So it's kind of funny. It's getting all this traffic on Stocktwits, and it shouldn't be. But it probably should be, because it's a lot higher quality stock than SafeMoon ever thought of being as a crypto. A lot better, actually. In 2018 to 2019, I made about 115% return. There was insider activity every single day for 6 months. And it was a beautiful, beautiful run. It was really, really wonderful. That might have been 2019 to 2020, excuse me. It was a really terrific run. And in 2020, we got another run. And on that, I had options, and I made over 250% in call options on Safehold the second time I've had it. Now, this is round 3. And let me just kind of explain what seems to happen. iStar, that it's a 10% owner of Safehold, is buying up shares. As people invest in iStar, they are turning around and buying shares of Safehold. And this is happening each and every day. And so we're getting an insider transaction reported every day as iStar loads up more shares of Safehold. And when this happens, it is crazy. It seems to happen each and every day. And kind of let me just show you, let me show you what happened today so that you can see it. I think you will be impressed. So I'm going to insidermonitor.com, insider-monitor. Okay, so we have 8 business days in a row of iStar purchasing Safehold. As you can see on these dates, we have May 21st, May 12th, May 13th, May 14th, May 19th, May 18th, May 17th, May 20th. Wow, 8 separate business days, almost 2 weeks, and all of them were reported today. Now, typically when this starts to happen, every 3 days we get reported another 3. And that seems to be the way that it goes. And so all you do with this, when you see this type of activity and insider activity like this, what you do is you just buy it and you hold it until it stops having insider activity. So just buy and hold it. That's how easy trading Safehold is. And now that it's had this insider activity, it can easily be number 1 on my list because I've had so much success in the past with this. We came all the way down to 66.36. It's now back to 71.34. My average is 71.37. I loaded up today, first thing I saw this. So it is down 0.04% since I called it out. So you are not missing much. It's time to get in. Analysts have an average target price of $89.67. So there is some upside here. And with iStar purchasing shares like they are, I think that this will really, really do great. Looking forward to a fantastic move here. And for this to do what it's done in the past. So this could really help you in your portfolio. Just put some Safe in there and just wait until it stops the insider activity. So it should be really, really good. Anyway, I'm wishing all of you the best on the stock market. Let's have a fantastic rest of the week. Hopefully this was a great update for you and that you like these updates. Please reach out in the comment section down below if there's something you want me to look up. I'm more than happy to do that and get back with you on that. So wishing you all the best in the stock market, and Raythoven out.